Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Google Translate app and setting the languages you need. Select your source and target so the app knows what to listen for. Once done, tap the conversation icon. It's the headset/dual mic button to enter two-way voice mode. Make sure microphone permissions are granted. Without that, the app can't hear you. Speak clearly and in short phrases. The app will transcribe then translate aloud. If background noise is loud, move closer to the phone to improve recognition. You now manage the live exchange. Choose Auto for continuous detection or Manual for controlled turns. Auto works well in calm environments, while Manual prevents overlap when it's noisy. Once you speak, Google Translate transcribes and immediately translates aloud, so pause after sentences to let the other person hear. If you selected Manual, tap your microphone button before speaking and release when done. Make sure you glance at the transcript to correct misheard words, because accurate input yields accurate translation. To finish, tap Stop and save or share the conversation history if you need a record. If translations stumble, check your internet connection first. Most languages are best online, and you can switch to downloaded offline packs if necessary. Make sure microphone access is enabled, and if the app repeatedly mishears you, slow down and use simpler phrases that improves recognition. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle between auto and manual modes to see which reduces overlap errors during your specific conversation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.